Witness the genesis of sweetness. Custard apples flourish under the sun.
Skilled hands meticulously assess ripeness, ensuring only the finest custard apples are selected. Skilled hands meticulously harvest ripe custard apples from their branches.
Here's the heavy one. Wow, that's a beauty. Let's get it packed.
Freshly harvested, these premium custard apples begin their journey to the factory, ensuring quality from orchard to consumer.
Freshly harvested, these premium custard apples begin their journey to the factory, ensuring quality from orchard to consumer. Freshly harvested, these premium custard apples begin their journey to the factory, ensuring quality from orchard to consumer. Freshly harvested, and these premium custard apples arrive at our state-of-the-art facility. Our dedicated team ensures every step maintains the highest quality.
Watch out for the soft spots on these.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I see it. They bruise easily.
Their trained eyes swiftly identify any imperfections, upholding the highest standards. Only the pristine custard apples continue their journey, destined for market.
This batch looks good, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Very few damage here.
Efficiency and precision define the manual sorting process. A testament to craftsmanship.
Freshly sorted custard apples begin their journey through the automated washing station. The automated system ensures every custard apple receives thorough and gentle cleaning. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the automated washing process for quality. Emerging from the wash, each custard apple is impeccably cleaned, ready for further processing. Precision engineering ensures each custard apple is perfectly prepared for the next stage. The machine's swift and clean cut precisely halves each fruit, maximizing yield and maintaining quality. The machine's swift and clean cut precisely halves each fruit, maximizing yield and maintaining quality. Each perfectly halved custard apple proceeds for further processing, ready for enjoyment. Skilled hands meticulously scoop the sweet, creamy pulp, a testament to careful craftsmanship. A rhythmic ballet of hands, each motion perfected through dedication and skill. From individual efforts to substantial yields, quality is never compromised.
Make sure the containers are completely full before they move to the next station.
Yes, understood.
Each step carefully executed culminates in the finest custard apple pulp. The machine's design ensures a precise, clean separation, preserving the pulp's quality. Inside, specialized paddles delicately begin to separate the seeds from the luscious pulp. The polished steel paddles gently guide the seeds away from the nutrient-rich yellow pulp, a key step in our sustainable process. Simultaneously, the separated glossy black seeds are collected, destined for careful disposal.
The clean, de-seeded custard apple pulp is now impeccably prepared for the subsequent processing steps.
Each stage of the custard apple production reflects a commitment to purity and excellence.
Skilled American workers ensure every batch meets our rigorous standards of excellence. Skilled American workers ensure every batch meets our rigorous standards of excellence.
Our commitment to purity ensures every product is of the highest quality.
Inside vast tanks, a precise mixing process begins, transforming the pulp into a uniform consistent.
The mechanical agitator works smoothly, blending the fresh custard apples base.
Precision control ensures optimal blending, a testament to careful craftsmanship.
Here we see the fresh, homogenized milk product flowing smoothly into the sterile holding tank.
The agitator's consistent rotation ensures every batch achieves ideal uniformity. The perfectly blended pulp, now uniform, awaits its transformation into exquisite products.